soon to own on video and DVD.
Kim Possible is one teenager. Kim, we've got trouble.
Oh no. What?
Thought I saw a zit. False alarm.
On a mission.
We've got to save Europe.
Yeah. Be careful.
Cheeks, you owe me a soda.
To save the world.
Chasing bad guys with mini brains. High school sure has changed since my day.
Kim Possible.
So, not the drama.
Watch it on Disney Channel and ABC Kids. All new on Disney DVD and video. School is back in session when TJ and his pals are taking the fifth.
Yeah, the best!
Fifth grade, that is.
Fifth grade is going to be the best of your day.
My name is Miss Finster, and I'm your fifth grade teacher. It's a new year with new surprises.
I can't believe this! They took away the whole playground! Now, they've gone too far.
In recess, taking the fifth grade. Also coming to Disney DVD and video. See how the recess gang met
It's Mikey! Run for your life!
as they return to their kindergarten days.
There's a part of me that wishes I could go back.
In recess, all broke down.
Ooga, ooga, ooga!
It's two full-length recess movies, taking the fifth grade and all broke down. Brand new on Disney DVD and video December 9th. Let's savor this up close.
Zesty.
Racing through the deepest jungle, the hero of all heroes is on his way to something incredibly, monumentally, humongously huge. His sequel. Here's the story in a coconut shell. The deed to Ape Mountain has been stolen by the sinister lion. Now George and George Jr. must save the jungle from becoming mulch.
Ice cream's a little dangerous.
We've all been wondering about that. Will George save the day? Find out in George of the Jungle 2, an all-new movie. Premiering on Disney DVD and video October 21st. Get back in the swing. Ever wondered what it would be like to live life as a toad? Well, here's your chance. Jump online and straight into Toad Town, where the city limits are as wide as your imagination. Make your own toad and play concert games. Explore crazy new lands. Upset Toad Town from the evil cops. What are you waiting for? There's never been an online multiplayer interactive ever-taking loop-themed game like this before. Toad Town, are you tuning up? And now, our feature presentation.